Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot, looking at the Father's Day sales, the box sets, tool box sets, power drills, and all that. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool deals. Let's go ahead and get started. We got the Father's Day sales today. We got a few good sales here. So you can see we got the Husky end cap here. We got a nice screwdriver set for 14 bucks. I was looking at this set too for $29.97. Not a bad deal. It does include the longer and the short sockets, the deep sockets. Looks like that they sold out of this backpack for $29.88. Must be a good backpack. I never seen it before. We got a toolbox here, or tool crate. We got a combination wrench. Then I was looking at this this toolkit from DeWalt for $249. Yeah, it's a really basic toolkit. It's mostly built for the DIY. The only brushless tool is the multi-tool. That is the only good one. Other than that, well, they're all good, but just the multi-tool is one of the newest one. But yeah, they're all brush tools. And this is a nice trimmer right there for 99 bucks. Not a bad deal. It includes a battery and a charger. Got a tool bag, Stanley tool bag right there. And then you got DeWalt 150 piece set there for $29.88. I was looking at these Fat Max tape measures here from Stanley. $19.88 for a pack of two. Not a bad deal if you're using a lot. With tape measures, definitely a great deal. Stanley's a great brand. Got two batteries there for 99 bucks. Not a bad deal. I believe the 3 amp hour batteries. Like I said, they're sold out. There was only 2 sets left. There's that one and the other set over there. But yeah, there's 2 3 amp hour batteries for 99 bucks. Basically 50 bucks a piece. And you got the Ryobi end cap here. A lot of good deals. It seems like they got they got this sale for that mower for $279. They don't have any left on this end cap, but if you go to the garden department or the mower department, then they should have that tool there. And if they don't have it, you could always go to another Home Depot and get it. And that is a new item that I saw. It looks like it's a light with the USB adapter. It says 18 LED light, 18 volt. It's not a bad deal there for $19.88. And then you got those drills, nice drills. Definitely recommend you guys getting those in a combo. Always getting a better deal in a combo. That's the 9.0 9 amp hour battery for 99 bucks. And that is the wood dry bag. Father's Day savings, 14 days. You got the Milwaukee. I think out of the whole deals here, I think Milwaukee is probably one of the best deals. They don't have a lot of deals this year, but I think this one's probably the best deal ever. Not ever, but out of all these deals, because there's 200 bucks and you get 2 batteries, you charge in a bag. Basically, it becomes to 100 bucks a tool. So, and they are brushless, by the way. It's not a bad deal either. The 2 drill and an impact driver for 99 bucks. It's the M12. But we used to have that free battery for free, or a free battery with that toolkit. So 23 piece, 1997. That's a Shockwave. And we got 2 6 amp hour batteries. Not a bad deal. I was looking at these impact rated bits. Seems like they sold a lot of them too for $9.97. Not a bad deal for this impact rated bits. We got some more deals here. It just depends on what you need and what you, if you want to start off, with the low cost platform. Ryobi is probably one of the best DIYs, and even small, like a small job or a light duty contractor's tool. Got a chemical sprayer. Yeah, these are all the tools that you can get for free. It's the buy one get one free type of deal thing. But yeah, these, well, not these, but the ones on the other side. And these are just the kits that they have on sale. It's $129 for a 4-piece, then $199 for a 6-piece. Not a bad deal to get you started. As you can see, that's the torn box right there. Should be on the clearance section. Nobody wants to buy that. It's probably been kicked off of the truck on and off. You got more free tools here. The buy one get one free. Yeah, they sold out a lot of tools already. They only got a few left. As you can see, there's no more kits. There's only one kit left. And those are all the free tools that you can buy with that. Pretty much all. It's a great deal that they got. Selling all the Joby days. Definitely would recommend getting the jigsaw, the radio, or the sawzall. Always look at the prices before you choose what you're going to get for free. Make sure it's worth it getting it for free, not just buying it, Because if you get a $40 item for free, you can just buy it on your own. Might as well get a 90 or 80 bucks item for free. It's a nice set right there, Ridgid for $129. I was looking at these Avanti blades. There's 2 for the price of 1, $5.97. Not a bad deal for just $3. Then I was looking at these two, which is the Bosch Daredevils $9.88. It's a 10-piece. I think this is a great deal. I'm probably gonna end up. I ended up getting one of these. I'll try it out. I know Bosch makes great bits. I'm pretty sure these are all good, great bits. And that's the Ridgid end cap here. Got a bunch of tools. Guess if you buy that $179 starter kit, you get one of the tools for free at the bottom. Or if you get this $379 combo kit, you get one of the tools for free. I think they should make if you buy the $379, I think you should get 2 tools for free. But just, pretty much that's what they have. So got the Milwaukee free battery power tool. Got $2.99 and you get one of these tools for free at the bottom. Definitely recommend the radio or the light. These are probably the best deals. That is the kit right there for $2.99. That's the light for $149. It's a big battery right there for $129. It's basically a framing blade. I was looking at this 2-tool combo for $2.49. You got a blower and a string trimmer. Not a bad deal. Got the Ryobi display. Now they got a big clearance section here. They got all kinds of stuff. Never seen a big clearance section like this before. Got a miter saw for $270. $399 for the bottom one. Not really a good deal. $119 for the Makita. $129 for the DeWalt. $219 for that DeWalt. That's a 10-inch. Then you got the Milwaukee for $119. You got two for two angle grinders for $90. Not a bad deal on those angle grinders. Looking at these, they got them on sale for just under $8. It's a fastback and a drywall saw. Not a bad deal. $399 for the Ridgid. And they got another clearance section over here. They got the Milwaukee LXT combo with $270. And then they got that table saw for $270 with the stand. And they got more drills, Milwaukee for $119. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Happy Father's Day.